Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Inventory Detail Maintenance Data Loader. This data loader was designed especially for QAD users who work with a large number of inventory detail records in the QAD 3.1.1 menu. You'll find that this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage inventory details. Then, quickly and safely, upload your revised data right back into QAD. Let's take a look at how Inventory Detail Maintenance Data Loader can help you manage your inventory details with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the Data Loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data to QAD. To get started, we need to first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by site, location, item number, lot serial, or reference number ranges. If we leave filter fields open, all inventory detail records will be downloaded. So let's filter by site and location. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, Inventory Detail Maintenance uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to menu 3.1.1. Let's log in. The data is downloaded and all records that match our search criteria are now displayed. We see that the data fields of the 3.1.1 Inventory Detail Maintenance menu from QAD are displayed. Gray highlighted fields are read-only fields, so the values from these columns will not be uploaded into the QAD database. Green highlighted fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit the values in these columns. For this demonstration, we will change the expiration date for all inventory detail records we downloaded. We will also change the inventory status. Since data loaders use standard Excel spreadsheets, we have all of Excel's functionality, so we can simply copy-paste data from one cell to other cells. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send our data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the Inventory Detail Maintenance Loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. Let's see if there are any other errors. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful, so we can close the status window. We can now click the Download button again to verify that our new or edited information was uploaded successfully. And we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of inventory detail records in convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's Inventory Detail Maintenance Data Loader will increase productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.